hiking to educate women in these very remote areas, I feel empowered that...
She's hailed one of the heroes in the field. When the COVID-19 brought fear, pain, and devastation to the world, the health workers took to the front lines to honor their oath to ensure that access to medication and vaccines reach even the hardest to reach places. The philanthropist Bill Gates calls them the heroes in the field. This recognition came as a pleasant surprise to one such in Lesotho.
I was crying for most of the times. I was so overwhelmed with emotions. I was happy, like I was a ball of mixed emotions, because when you're doing certain things outside your scope, outside the way that the nursing profession directs you, and then you get recognition as the first Lesotho to receive that award or that recognition, it was so amazing, because the work that I do, it has nothing to do with me being a nurse, but everything to do with being an activist and helping women in hard to reach areas. So what Bill Gates tweeted, and a lot of people making my story about vaccine, I believe my story is not related to vaccine whatsoever. It's about delivering health services amid the pandemic. So when I realized that people are now centering my story around vaccine, then I get to then shift the focus to say, how then do I educate the people about the vaccine?
When I'm hiking to educate women...
And to an urban girl, the harsh mountainous terrain brought about new challenges and sacrifice.
I think the journey to the remote areas is a bit tricky, especially when you're not used to that kind of situation. As an urban girl trying to transition to the rural areas, it could be a bit of a challenge. But sometimes when you go to those rural areas, you carry large luggage to help the women or the people in that community. So you maybe would want to load some of the stuff on the horse's back, or sometimes you get too tired, so then you would ride on either a donkey or a horse.
Mamello says much is needed to better appreciate the work done by the frontline health workers, but this will not deter her from her dreams.
My vision for the girls and women in Lesotho is to have an empowered nation, because only if women are empowered, then they'll be able to take up leadership positions, so that we can have a Lesotho where women can have access to health services, a Lesotho where women can have access to family planning, a Lesotho where a woman can freely walk on the street without fear of being raped. It's really up to us young people to take a stand regarding the future of Lesotho and the health system at large.
SABC News, Mamello Lesotho.